Hello everyone.
No.
שומעים אותי?
כן.
יש לזה משקל, זה לא לכל אמת. Hello everyone. Thank you very much for the honor of speaking here and the opening of important conference. It is truly a privilege for me. My name is Eran Moshe. I am a nurse profession and throughout my career I have worked across a wide spectrum of medical fields. I've been living with seronegative myasthenia gravis for about 23 years now and have been treated with every possible line of therapy, sometimes even twice. And the side effects, particularly from steroids, did not spare me. I have to navigate every corner and obstacle familiar to the daily life myasthenia gravis patient, medically, mentally, and bureaucratically. I stand here today not only as the chairman of the Israel Myasthenia Gravis Association, but first and foremost, as a patient, as a part of community, and as a person who lives this disease every day. This life experience played a significant role in my decision to found the association with two other patients. The Israel Myasthenia Gravis Association has existed for 6 years now. It was founded by patients, and our board currently consists of 7 members. One of them is Guy here. We all volunteers. Our goal includes building a strong community by creating a united family-like and supportive environment, knowledge sharing by bringing together medical, psychological, and bureaucratic expertise, empowerment by teaching the patient how to use this knowledge, recognizing that every patient is a whole world, a unique symptoms, drug response, and personal or family challenges. The ultimate goal is to improve quality of life. We achieve this through a professional conference, webinars, empowerment workshop, support patient and family, and active participation in medical conference in Israel and abroad. We also maintain a close relationship with the European Myasthenia Gravis Association, the UMGA, and advocating for the inclusion of drugs in the national basket of health services. We all know that myasthenia gravis is a complex disease. There is no single magic pill that makes everything disappear. It is a journey of ups and downs where any daily activity can cause a flare-up. It impacts quality of life, relationship, parenthood, career building, and personal identity. It is an invisible disease, yet its daily consequences are very tangible. Despite these challenges, we are in extraordinary area, a renaissance for myasthenia gravis. We are seeing unprecedented global investment in research and innovative treatment. However, there is still room for further improvement. As association, and as patient, we see research as a mission. I believe our goal must be to promote every study, responsibility, and efficiency to bring the next generation of treatment to patients as quickly as possible. On a personal note, as a native of Israel, I am filled with pride that Israel company with Israeli team of researchers is a major part of the research that may bring us a better future. Canopy Immune Therapeutics is trying to take us one step further. The vision of long-term mission for seropositive patients, who make up a large portion of our community. Create Ganin Hope. For a myasthenia patient, hope is not a small word. It's an engine that moves our weak muscles and push us forward with optimism. We must collaborate, doctors, researchers, and associations and patients, to advance research at every stage and ensure this treatment become accessible. Behind every study is a person. Behind every phase is a family. Ultimately, this is about a life where we manage the disease rather than the disease manage us. Phil and Roy and the entire Canopy team, we are with you every step of the way, hand in hand, to make this succeed. Thank you very much.